Welcome to Asana Project Setup.
Ready to organize your work with Asana? In this guide, you'll learn the essential steps to create your first project in Asana. Whether you're new to project management or simply new to Asana, you'll discover how to set up, structure, and collaborate with your team for greater efficiency.
Step 1. Create your Asana account.
Begin by signing up for an Asana account. Visit the Asana website and register using your email address. Once you've verified your email, you can log in to access your workspace. If you're joining an existing team, you may receive an invitation. Simply follow the link to get started.
Step 2. Start a new project.
To create your first project, click on the plus New Project button in the left sidebar. Choose to start from a blank project, or use one of Asana's ready-made templates. Give your project a clear name and add an optional description so your team understands its purpose.
Step 3. Set up project structure.
Organize your project by creating sections and tasks. Sections help break down your project into phases or categories, while tasks list the actions needed to complete your goals. Add tasks beneath each section. Assign them to team members and set due dates to keep your project on track.
Step 4. Customize and collaborate.
Enhance collaboration by adding details and communicating. Attach files, add comments, and set priorities for tasks. Use Asana's tools like tags, custom fields, and calendar view to tailor the project to your workflow. Invite teammates to ensure everyone stays informed and involved.
Step 5. Track progress and adjust.
Monitor your project's progress using Asana's tracking features. View task status, mark completed items, and use project dashboards for a quick overview. Regularly update tasks and deadlines as your project evolves. This keeps everyone aligned and helps your team reach its goals efficiently.